Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will be teaching you about functions with multiple parameters. As you know, in the last video, we made functions that used one parameter. Now we're going to pass in two parameters and we will make a function that adds two numbers. So to do that, let's declare a function int add numbers parentheses, curly brackets. As you guys remember, last tutorial we added parentheses like this, int, and the name of the variable, a. When we want to add more than one variable in our parentheses, we separate them using a comma. So now we can write int b. Simple enough. So in the body, we make int answer. This variable will take answer of A and add B. So now we're going to print out that is equal to, let me just put this in double quotes, and let's print out the answer in line. So if you're confused what we just did, we passed two parameters, A and B. Both have an integer value, which means numbers. In our body, we create a variable called answers. So when the user enters A and B, when we're calling our function in the body, this variable takes this answer and adds them together. So A plus B, that will be equal to answer. So if we put 2 plus 2, 4 will be the value of answer. And what we're doing here is we're just simply printing out the answer. So as you guys know, to prototype our function, we just put it here with the parameters. But when we call it, let's say add numbers, we add the value between the parameters the same way we declare it here in the function. So let's say 2, 2, 2 plus 2. And when we run this, you are born, there was an error. So add number must return a value. Oh, so we can just, what we can do here is return answer. We're just going to return answer. And let's add that. So what we need to do now is we need to print it out since we are returning it. Let's run it again. 4. So as you see, we declare it, we prototype it, and we call it in our main function. And when we pass down 2 and 2, we set the value to A equals 2 and B equals 2. And at the end of our add numbers function, we return answer and we just return the sum of A and B. So that's all for this video. I hope you learned something and stay tuned for more. See you.